for the second half, we'll just keep it as it is. What do you stay in goal for it? Is that right?
I'm trying to get
taking the piss. Seriously.
Alright, Ranger, you can go in goal then. Ranger's in goal for the first start of the second half.
We're Ranger for one volunteer.
Why Ranger?
It's a team, mate. It's a team.
I'm saying why? Why pick me?
You were the next person on the vote thing.
I probably had the worst half out of everyone as well.
Oh fucking mate, sure. I'm fucking I've never played in goal before. I don't know what.
You didn't even want to play fullback, mate. I'd
No,
happily
but
play
goal's a bit
fullback.
different, isn't it?
I'll happily play fullback. Do you know what I mean? You can't moan about a position and then.
Well done, mate.
Well done, mate.
Teams play well with the team. At least you have loads of toys to play with this half. You haven't thrown any out.
But was that seriously their second pick?
It's a fucking joke.
Fair play, you weren't as bad as I thought you were.